Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean oxidized copper. There are different ways that you can clean oxidized copper. The main ingredient in any cleaning agent for copper is vinegar. So you can drop pennies, for instance, into a jar of vinegar with a little bit of baking soda and salt, and you can watch them just clean right before your eyes. If you want to polish something, or you'd rather have something like a paste that you can work with more easily, like, you couldn't drop this into a jar. So in that case, grab some ketchup. Ketchup is full of vinegar. That's why it lasts for so long. Get some on a paper towel and use this to clean your copper. It really works well. You can even let it sit and dry and then go over it again. You may have to repeat this, but probably not too often. Ketchup is awesome at cleaning copper. So just remember, the main thing you're looking for in any ingredient to clean your metal or to clean your copper is vinegar. Worcestershire sauce, like this one, works well also. I am Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean copper.